Chef Adrian, where do you think guacamole first came from? It was not Chipotle.
Where do I think it is extra? Where do I think it first came from?
Mm-hmm.
You know, that's a fantastic question. I would have to say, I would assume, and I could be wrong, that it would be Mexican in origin. Although I have a feeling you're going to tell me that that's not correct.
Near Central America.
Okay.
And, of course, you can see it's been clearly assimilated into American culture. And
very much so.
In just like my research and my intrigue with wanting to understand the food migration component of this, it's actually one of the most consumed products on Super Bowl Sunday.
That I am not surprised about.
No idea. And the Aztecs were the first to make guacamole back prior to the 16th century, which shows it's the simple things.
And I think that's the limit. Yeah, that's how we limit ourselves. Like when you say it, it's like, man, that makes perfect sense. But we don't ever think back that far. Even as much as we try to be conscious, like there's still that opportunity to be reminded that, no, the history of food goes way further back than even we realize.